All right, what if there was Microsoft Paint for like spatial spectra, right? On the left, we have an image. It's the inverse Fourier transform of a certain spectrum. And on the right, we have a mask that is either blocking or passing certain parts of that spectrum. Right now, it's all black. It's all blocked. That's why we have no image. I can make it all white, and everything's passing now. We have all of the frequency elements of the spectrum passing. And look at Joseph Fourier, all happy to be all passed. Okay, but I can start to draw on it now and remove frequency elements. Look, I've removed basically all of the low frequency detail, and we're left, I hope the quality of the video is good enough to see this, but we're left with the really sharp kind of high frequency detail. And I can go the other way around. I can only pass low frequency detail. Let's see if I can actually get this down to a single sine wave. I don't know if I'll manage. I think I might need to reduce the radius of the circle that I'm coloring with. But who doesn't want to color on Fourier transforms? Now I kind of have to do it. No, I'm not going to waste time, but you can try. Oh, we're down to... All right, we got pretty close there. We got pretty close to a single sinusoid. All right, there, we did it. Nice. Okay, so this is fun to me. I don't know if anybody else will care, but you can, let's say, do a horizontal stripe. Yeah, let's go do a horizontal stripe like this. And we have decent detail in the X direction, but lots of blurring in the Y direction. Can you see that? Okay, and then the other way around. Decent detail in the Y direction, blurring in on the X axis. So yeah, download this and play around. I think this is a fun way to kind of play with filters. Obviously, this is like the crudest, most ideal filter ever, and you're gonna get ringing and stuff, but I think it's cool. What's happening here? What's happening here? We have like, take a sine wave and then make it 2D, and then you can stack them on top of each other, and that's how JPEGs work. On the left, you have the sine waves being a bunch of different sine waves, and on the right, you have the sum of them. They're being added together. And look, after only a few hundred terms, we can already make out that this is Big Ben. Okay. And it's going to keep going. I think they say here, yeah, 90,000 individual sinusoid gratings. Okay. So it's all on GitHub. Download it and play with it. Make suggestions for, I have a few changes in mind that I want to implement, but if you can think of anything that you think would make this better, post in the comments or post an issue on GitHub. And until then, happy coloring.